Welcome. Let's talk about text files and text editors. When we write HTML and JavaScript, this is really all we need. We need a basic text editor to generate a basic text file. Now that's a wonderful thing because every single machine ships with a basic text editors. We can see here the one within Windows, which is Notepad. And I'm going to go ahead and paste here some HTML. I'll then save it to the desktop. And let's call it editor.html. Now we can take this file and load it onto a browser because the browser knows how to interpret these basic instructions that we put into text files. And so I'm going to go ahead and drag it onto onto the browser, and you can see there that it is rendering that content. Now there are many other editors that you can use besides Notepad. I'm going to go ahead and close this one. One of them, for example, on Windows is Edit Plus. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop the file, and you can see there that immediately there's a lot more complexity. There's a lot more features, a lot more buttons. You can see syntax highlighting, but ultimately all we would generate is a basic text file. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you one more. This one is Sublime Text, and this one is one of the ones that we will be using quite a bit. And you can see there you get syntax highlighting. It's a lot cleaner look like Notepad. But let me repeat again, it doesn't really matter what editor you use as long as you generate a basic text file. So this is a great thing to have. Now, in fact, it doesn't even matter what operating system you use. I have here a window from a different operating system. And you can see there that we have pretty much the same basic editor. And I'm going to go ahead and drag a browser window. And if I drag that file onto the browser, see I have it here coming in from a different OS, it would display the same. So go ahead and identify the basic editor on your machine, create a file. It doesn't really matter what you write into it. It's a basic text file. Drag it onto your browser and you'll see that you can see it. So with that, let me go ahead and close. Thank you for your attention and say goodbye.